first thing we do is create distance. Step back one of your foot. As you do so, raise both hands outward. Once the distance is here, come down as if you're doing double palm strike. You can make contact either with the palm itself or with the inner part of the forearm onto your partner's forearm. The closer we go to the wrist, the better the strike will be. So avoid hitting the elbow, but rather somewhere up in this area. Once we're here, form fist with your hand, double punch, uppercut punches, either to the body or if the face is low, to the head. Once there, the finishing move will be a jumping snap.